up, guys? Back in the Amazon. We're back at Xeruini. All right, we were here last October, January.
That's enough, bro. I know y'all are tired of seeing this guy.
I've been trying, so I made a mistake a couple of years ago of bringing this guy one time to the Amazon.
That's all it takes.
Now I can't get rid of him. Like everywhere I go, he's here.
That's all it takes.
Can't get rid of him.
That's all it takes is just one time to come to Brazil.
We're back, baby. Water levels look great.
Yes.
Tell us it's gonna play out. Stay with us. Should be good, man. We're excited.
Yeah,
Excited.
let's go, bro.
You ready?
Let's make it happen.
Get ready.
Chegamos! Let's go, man.
It's time. So we got in, what, 2 hours ago, T?
Yeah, 2 hours ago.
And we're not supposed to fish today, right? Today to relax, but you know, we got issues. So we're gonna head out, we're gonna hit the water.
Yeah.
Everything, I don't wanna get my hopes up, right? We've been around the Amazon long enough to know that you can't, your hopes too high.
Yeah.
But the water levels are fantastic, guys.
I think what's cool is the fact that we get to go the first day.
Yes.
You know, usually we go in there and sleep and rest and stuff, so it kind of gets the anxiety out of the way, just going out and just seeing what it's like the first day, and then tomorrow we get to start fresh.
Yeah.
Also, we get information from all the other people that are out there, so it's gonna be a good day, man. I mean, I was not expecting to fish.
We get to preview the waters a little bit. You know, probably a couple hours, maybe 2-3 hours. Because as you guys can see behind us, the water levels are, I mean, they're really good. We were here in October, just to give you guys an idea for perspective. That beach, all that sand you couldn't see in October. It was all underwater. The water has dropped tremendously. We have a lot of structure out, so we should be good. We should be good.
Great!
There we go.
2026 is here in Brazil. That's awesome. Vaca?
Yes, sir.
Vaca?
Bring him out. Come on, first fish.
Ah,
Come on, guess doesn't count.
doesn't count. That's not small. I don't know what's going on, but this is my first day fishing this year, bro. We weren't even supposed to fish today. Oh, we already got a pretty, I think he's on a stick too. It's still a good fish though. It's a good fish. Get him, bro.
He's hooked, he's hooked.
Yes, sir! Welcome back,
I
man!
tried to take it out of the net, I ain't gonna lie.
Welcome back!
Welcome back to Brazil, dude.
Yes, sir.
That was such an aggressive bite too. That Beyond Brave, man. I've just tried it out today. I'm actually really impressed with it. It's nice and smooth. I really like this blue. It matches with the SLX-A series by Shimano. Awesome line, man. Lucas was actually fishing with this line on our last trip, and we fished, what was it, 20 days? 19 days straight, pretty much. And Lucas was fishing this Beyond Braid. So he caught an 80 last time we came out here, all on that braid, so I trust it. I'm gonna play around with it this trip and see how we like it, man. I'm gonna give you guys the raw and honest opinion on this line. And I spoiled it up on all of my rods and reels, so we'll see how it goes. But this is a beautiful fish. Looks like he's hooked pretty good. All right, guys, first decent fish of the year. This is actually my first time fishing this year, and I am super stoked to come out to Brazil. I literally waited 30 days to not fish to come out here and catch fish just like this. They have a lot more colors than the last time that we came out here. As you can see, it's a little bit faded, but you can still see those 3 bars. They're not as dark as they were when they were coming right out of the jungle. That is just a beautiful, beautiful fish, man. That is why we come here. We're gonna let them go. Thank you. It's a beautiful fish.
Sharks? Ah. Yes. Let's go!
Oh my God. It's not. It's a bunch of little. Oh, there's 2 fish on. There's 2 fish on. There's 2 fish on. Oh my God. There's 2 peacocks.
Dois peixes. Bonito.
Oh my God, dude.
I think you gotta.
Oh my God.
One of those is a nice fish, dude.
What the heck, bro? I don't even know what to say right now. I literally have no idea what to say. We're not even supposed to be fishing. This is when we're napping, bro. Did that just happen? Is this real?
I've never seen it in person. I've
Bro,
always seen videos of it. Fish.
bro, that is insane.
When you said this, I thought it was a second chase heat.
I couldn't make it out. This is absolutely insane, man. This is not how I was expecting day 1 to be. We're literally not even supposed to be on the water right now. This is when we're taking a nap, and we just caught 2 on 1 lure. I probably caught 6 already. Shook off 2 small ones, caught a decent one. This is insane. Villanova, thank you so much. We're out here on Xeruini with jungle fishing. We got Lucas in the back. And this is a blessing, man. This is beautiful. Let's let him go. Welcome back, baby. Insane.
All right, guys, we're back.
Yes.
Day 1. Yesterday was day 0 because we just weren't supposed to go out. As we mentioned to you guys, we went out. This guy had himself a heck of an afternoon.
Unreal.
2 fish.
Yeah, 2
1
fish,
lure.
1 lure. Absolutely insane. First time that's ever happened to me out here in Brazil. I've done it before in Texas on an A rig, but to have it on 1 bait, it being that bait practice that we found the last day, is unreal. So that was a great way to start day 0. That's cool.
And now we've tested the water. Everything looks good. The water levels are good. We just got to, test the bite, see how active they are. Water levels are, as good as it can get. So let's see if we can get on them. We're stoked.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Turkey.
All right, guys. Our boat is we're pretty heavy loaded on this boat today, guys. Look at this. Oh boy. Yeah, that's our beautiful water back here.
Pela quantidade, fica muito aqui.
Big fish, man.
Monster butterfly.
Butterfly.
Monster
Lucas' butterflies.
There we go, guys. Little first one of day 1, man. First one for me for the trip. There we go. First one. Let's get that gate open.
Good job, bro. That was beautiful.
There we go. On the Z-Man, dude. Yes, sir. Nice little açu. Açuzinho bonito. Nice açu, guys. Basket's good, baby. That's my sport. Let's go. Você não quer fazer mais barulho?
Joga lá, cara. Conta de jogar lá, pô.
E eu não joguei?
E não pegou o peixe.
Não, rapaz. You see where I cast it, right? That gap? Cute little guy on the Z-Man. Yes, sir. And saw that fish came. Showed his face. Cute little guy, man. Obviously nowhere near the size we're after. But no, I'm telling you, that's the same. Hey, he's gonna measure him just in case nobody gets a fish. That could be the winner. 53. All right. Nice little açu, guys. Little guy. Tiny little guy. 50, 52, 53 centimeters. Still strong, still fun. Peraí, ele tá meio ativo. Calma. Tadinha, esse Hugo bonitinho.
Toda hora uma série boa, né, velho? Aí a gente esperando a continuidade daquela que a gente já assistiu.
É.
Merda.
Nice little guy. All right, guys, both fish today have been on the Z-Man. Strong, man. Very strong. Paca, man. Paca soup. There we go. There we go, man. First decent fish of the week. Let's go. Still day one, still morning of day one. Good little 60, probably like a 62, 63. Let's go, baby. On the Z-Man. Olha onde tá fisgado. Não saía nunca. Não saía nunca, mas olha só. Yeah, he wasn't coming out. 58. No, 58. Yeah, that'll work. That'll pan up.
Breakfast. Nickname: Tomatinho.
Yes.
Bezinho. Fine. His name: Doka. Nickname: King of Butterflies.
What's up, guys?
Scooby-Doo. Porra, mas como que ele não tá lá?
To shoot with the drone. It's really beautiful over here. And then he's gonna look for fish too. That lake that we went in and we got tea, it's behind this right here. Oh, tá ali, ó. Oh, ali, ó. I'd stopped at a point at a fish. Oh, damn butterflies.
Oh, there's so many.
Yeah. Tem muito.
Oh,
There we go. Oh.
bro, there's like 7.
Só pega aqui, segura aqui, ó.
Bro, so many just came out.
Segura aqui. Yeah. I see. Yeah. They're all butterflies. All right, guys, we're right on the school of fish. Oh, they ran away. There's a bunch of them, and they scattered now. There's 3 over there, dude. Oh my God, I just went right over them. Oh, they're butterflies. Olha lá. Oh, those are big, 2. Tá em casal. Let's calm down, let's go over there. Ah, he's chasing yours, he said. Mother.
Oh, you spooked him. Oh! Never mind, bro.
There we go,
I literally
baby.
like you spooked him. Boom. That's how you do it, bro.
Stop casting for these bad boys on the beach, baby. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Put this chopper to work.
I see you, my boy.
Yes, sir. Got my Beyond Braid
He
on.
said there was 2 back there.
Oh, there we go. There's a big one.
Oh.
Fish.
Okay.
Big fish.
I'm gonna get him.
Oh my God. Oh, ele foi atrás, cara. Joga aqui. Nossa, isso aí é uma cesta.
The other one was a freaking unit. Oh my God. That's what it's about, bro. That's fishing.
Yes, sir. Our guides in the water. Oh, Nossa, o tamanho desse galho.
King of butterflies.
Man. Yeah, dude, it's a nice butterfly. It scared us. Tá muito borboleta, velho. There we go. Pegou grande. Oh.
It still caught me off guard,
Dude,
though.
I thought that was a big fish.
I almost fell in the water. Smoked it.
About that chopper.
Butterfly.
Wow.
It's a beautiful one. Yeah, it's a pretty chubby one.
Blow up was scary. I had my back turned. I just heard it.
Yeah, it's thick. Usually Lucas is the king of these, but I had to get me one.
Yeah.
Golly, look at the colors on them, man. Insane. That yellow on them just glows, bro. It's unbelievable.
That yellow around the dots, it's so bright.
God, that's insane.
How do you know? Falei pra que ia pegar, cara.
Cara, é peixe grande.
Chegou.
All right, guys, we have a big fish on. Xeruini River, guys. I got a big fish on. A big fish.
Agora é um animal, meu.
He said 84. See, 84 my record. My guy just said he might be an 84. If he is, he's my record. Oh, I am shaking again, dude. I'm shaking again. Oh my God, he's beautiful. He's beautiful. He's beautiful. I don't like when they turn like this. Guys, I might be on my PB here. Oh, come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Calma, calma, calma.
Moleque.
My legs are shaking, dude. Bezinho, você cantou essa, velho. Começo ao fim.
Well done.
I might have just broken my PB, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see. We will see. Yeah. Tá gordo, mano. 76, I'm gonna say 73, 74. 75. All right, guys, we're at Xeruini River, January 2026. Actually, February today. I think it's February 1st or 2nd. We're here in the Amazon. Caught myself a nice little peacock. All right, and we got dates for next year. You guys want to come out? Let me know. This place holds giants. Today's day 1. We just got here. We're gonna be here for 10 days. So stay with us. We're gonna be showing y'all some massive fish. This is just day 1. Good call, T. That was a good blow up, man. I didn't know that fish was hooked. I thought I lost him. I so thought I lost him. He's not that big. He's not that big. Yeah.
Não é curto, não? Vai lá ver, vai lá ver, vai lá ver.
Fogo? Mano, velho, a batida dele não foi uma batida de um peixe desse tamanho aqui, não, mano.
Oh,
Pegou?
oh, he came off.
No, he's probably
he's
swimming
still
this way. Good fish, T.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Double up, baby.
That's why.
Yeah, he's foul hook. No, it's out in the corner of his mouth.
Yeah. They're so strong in this current.
They are, dude.
Oh my God, my arm is hurting, bro.
Dude, this water's so pretty, man.
Come on.
Você chamou aí, Huguinho, os paquinhos, hein?
It's so hard to pull in because the current is
Você chamou os
ripping.
paquinhos.
Yeah, he's hooked on the side of the mouth, but he's also hooked on the side of the gill.
Yeah. There we go. Yes, sir.
Yes, baby.
Double up, baby.
Yes.
All right, guys, doubled up on day 2. Obviously not the giants we're after, but they're always fun, man. Talk to us, see how was fighting this fish.
That was insane. I think I fought that fish for like 3 minutes. It's not even that big. It is a gorgeous fish, but whooped my butt in that current. I kind of pointed out a fish for Lucas because he had more of an advantage to cast at it.
Hey, you didn't kind of point it out. You said it right there,
I gave it to him.
Yeah.
And he caught a really good fish on it, and then I caught a nice one right after that. So it's really cool to double out here in Villanova on Xeruini. Gorgeous paca. They're still blowing up all around us.
Yeah.
Day 2, baby.
Day 2. Day 1, we had a lot of action.
Yeah.
Had a really good day. I caught a 75 yesterday, which you've seen by now. But we're going for more, guys. We got a bunch of days here. We're gonna find the big ones.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, shotgun, baby.
Shotgun, cheers.
Cheers.
Double up, first double up of the trip.
Let's go.
Day 2. Joga mais cerveja na água. Little guy. All right, guys, I'm on a fish here. T just saw a big movement over there. He's trying to land him.
Oh my gosh. Power pole's down. Okay. Oh yeah, his gills are cut anyway. Stingray. Tiger. There we go. Ah!
There we go. We got Hugo, guys. Got a little Hugo on fish. Tá gravado aqui, Hugo, ou não? Oh, he got his ass kicked by a butterfly. Get him, Hugo.
Butterfly.
That's a pretty butterfly, man. He's kind of thick.
Shoes, bro.
Oh.
Look at the shoes, man.
Arigato. Arigato.
Tiny. Pequeno pra caralho. Alright, guys. End of day 2. A little guy on the chopper here. In a slow day. Rough one. Rough one. But a fish is a fish, especially at the end of the day. Little paca, the Halloween high roller. Yeah, man, I hit on the chopper. Changes things. Look at the size of this fish for the size of the lure, dude. Oh, the audacity on you, buddy. The audacity.
What? Crazy, man. Crazy. Beautiful fish, man.
Okay.
We're definitely joking around because it's been such a tough day. But like the energy on the boat is all good, man. Everybody knows that some days are good, some days are better than others, and you just gotta kind of milk the really good ones and soak in the bad ones, bro, for what they are for, because it is fishing at the end of the day. So
It is humbling.
it's very humbling. So like at the end of the day, like you just have to laugh because being mad isn't gonna do anything. We're here for what, 8 more days? So we're just having fun, man. Very good, man. Muito bom. Oh, man. Bunda suja, Hugo.
See over here thinking he's Brazilian already.
I'm Brazilian, bro.
What?
Have we fished this time?
No. There we go. Oh my God. Tell me about the chopper.
That was insane. Don't jump. Oh,
Barely
bonito.
hooked.
Bonito.
Bonito. Good fish, T. Oh, very nice fish. Hey, mice. Very good fish, T. Don't jump. Yeah, keep him now. He's good. He's very hooked. He's got both hooks in his mouth.
He's like moving the prop while he's going. It's crazy.
Não, mas ele tá bem fisgado esse fish. That fish is so hooked, dude.
He's not ready. Yes. 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 Oh. That feels so good,
Dude,
bro.
that hit. But I just turned my head and I just heard the
So on that one, when it hit the chopper, it went straight towards me. So I just had to hurry up and reel, and I didn't even set the hook. I just leaned into it. Oh my God. We've been looking for you, bro.
both hooks in his mouth, dude.
We've been looking for you, man.
You just 70'd, my friend. Hugo said 75 during the fight when he saw him.
Yeah, I knew.
Yeah, I think he's 71. I said that when I saw him, I was like, dude, this fish is not
He had
coming.
one at first and then he turned.
Oh.
So he got the other one.
Lindo peixe. Lindo peixe.
Look at all little peacocks.
70.
Oh my God. Bro, it's way bigger than I thought. Really? I thought it was like a 60 something.
Oh, he's a 70 for sure, dude.
Yeah, 100%. 72. If it's a 73,
pode ser rabo reto,
I'm
sim.
going home.
70, right on the dot.
69.
Não.
É, parceiro.
Hold on, tira o boga.
Oh no, leave the boga, leave the boga.
71.
Cravou. 10. 10 pounder, baby. 10 pounder. Absolutely insane, man. Out here on Xeruini with Villanova, jungle fishing. It's been an absolutely crazy day. Like we said, it can be a risk, man. It can be 50-50 coming out here to a lagoon, trying to catch them, see if they're biting, and it looks like it paid off, bro. I literally don't even know what to say. I know.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
He's like that yellow, that shine with the sun out right now, dude.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous fish, man. And this is a 70, it weighs 10 pounds. And look how it's built, dude. Like a straight brick. That is insane. We're gonna let him go, get some underwater footage. There's so much bait and stuff rolling around, it's gonna look super cool.
Espera no correr.
Pena que você não vai pra lá. Agora pegou. There we go.
That came out of nowhere, huh?
Yeah, it's not that big. Oh, I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. I just teased them. I faked like I had a fish on there. I kept talking. I was messing with them. I was like, my bad, man. My bad. Hard way went, and then on that same retrieve, that fish came. Good one. Good little 60. Bonitinho. Yes. Finally, man. First fish of the day, and it's 3:23. Good God, aqui pertinho. No meio. Tá vivão, né?
All right, guys, so caught a nice little 58. My first fish of the day, man. I'm getting my butt kicked all day. T's got like 4 or 5 already. It was my first one. He got himself a 70. Chasing the big ones, 70. That's the type of fish we're after. This guy is gorgeous, though. Look at him. Healthy, girthy. Nice fish inside this lagoon. It was our bet for today, and it seems like it's paying off.
You're throwing to the wrong side. You've been throwing the wrong side for about 2 hours. Vamos bater o outro lado lá então.
You're throwing to the wrong side. What a G. You got him, bro.
I think I do. Feels good. Let's go. Let's see if we can get him.
That's a good one.
It is. I opened my drag a little bit, so he might be taking some
I
drag.
can see him.
Yeah, no, I saw him too, but he might be taking some drag that could be deceiving. Oh, boys. Xeruini River, guys. Look at him. Yep.
Calma.
Yep.
75 esse.
There we go.
Hey, that's over 7.
That's over 70. Oh, yeah.
Ai, garoto.
You're throwing that.
Ah, moleque. Falando aqui, moço.
Ah, moleque.
Hey, if you're down to stay here.
You're throwing the wrong side, buddy. I told you fish for
You gotta
butterflies.
save that.
So yeah, those are your fish for butterflies over there.
I'll be damned.
Falei 75, não vem. Vai dar maior ainda, mas eu vou no 75.
75 ele vai dar.
Olha aí.
7.4, 7.4. Fat, dude.
All right, guys, caught this 74, another 12 pounds and change. Here at Xeruini River, guys, Villanova, Amazon. Shout out to Bezinho, unbelievable guide, man. This guy's awesome. He kept telling me to throw towards the middle all day. Caught a couple fish here in the afternoon. T guaranteed himself a 70 earlier today.
Hello.
All right, having a blast, guys.
Yes, sir.
Y'all want to come out here? Let me know. I can make it happen. Let's get this bad boy back to life so you guys come out here and catch fish similar to this gorgeous, stunning peacock bass.
Turn to the side real quick. We're gonna show Instagram.
Yep. Jungle fishing, baby.
Tell him he can put it up and we'll respool. There we go. There we go. Not a giant, still a good fish. Yes. Oh, I'll tell you.
Beer, man.
Deer. Good fish. That's a great sign. So Lucas had an insane blow up earlier that we thought was on a bed, and that was kind of going to be the downfall of this part because it's like, dude, we don't want to be going around sight fishing this entire time. But we looked back and we didn't see a bed, so that was a good sign. It shows that they're feeding here and that they're hungry, and there's proof right there. Proof's in the pudding, man. Very good fish. Whoop my butt, bro.
And y'all know it was on that Mayprac, baby.
See that, your boy? Yes, sir. All right, guys, that was absolutely insane. This fish whooped my butt. Just look at the colors on that. I know I say that a lot, but like I said before, each fish is unique, so they all have different patterns. This one is just gorgeous, bro. Look at that bright red on their fins, that iconic dot. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Let's let it go. She was ready. Yeah. I knew it. I knew it, bro. Something told me that there's gonna be a fish right there. I don't know what it is, but I was like, this is a good cast. Oh my God. That's the sound we like to hear.
Yes.
Another good one.
They're all healthy.
Oh my God. What I like about this river is how chunky and healthy these fish are. They fight so hard. Oh, yeah, he's not ready. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man.
Oh, that is beautiful, man.
Hey. Crazy, bro. And it's like, there's really nothing there. There's a couple trees in the water, but it's just a nothing bank. And I was like, something feels good. And as soon as I twitched it 2 times, boosh, like, there's nothing like it. Lucas told me, like, I love the jig. I truly love the jig. But last trip, I threw the chopper for the first time, and I was absolutely ruined. We're gonna play a clip of one that I lost. He's not out. Please stay on. See? And that will hurt anybody. I'm still thinking about it. It still brings me nightmares, but whew, this is fun, man. This was worth it. This is the first time I've ever really had action in a lagoon, and we've only been in here like an hour. So we're gonna keep going.
You gotta trust your boy.
Yes, sir. Jungle fishing, Villanova. Look at that guy.
You think he was massive?
Me too.
And then since he didn't take down, I was like, oh, man.
Yeah. Gorgeous fish, bro. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. This is what we wanted, bro. This is exactly what we wanted. Like, look at that. That's insane. Gorgeous fish. Let him go. Ready? Yes. Cerveza gelada? Vizinho?
Felicidade, muitos anos de vida. Parabéns, parabéns.
Do you know what this is? It's a Brazilian tradition. Whoever gets the first piece, you're the most special person. There's a video that went viral in Brazil that the older brother gave it to his little brother, and it means so much. Little brother was bawling, crying, and he just gave you the first point.
Muito obrigado.
I told him.
Yeah.
Pegou.
All right, guys, first fish of the day. Feels like a good one. Não é tão grande, não. No, he's not that big. Strong as hell, though. Calma, bem fisgado. Calma.
Isso que é foda, né?
É Corinthians, pô!
Vai, Corinthians! Cadê o alicate, mano? Yeah, that was my last one, and it's all torn up, dude.
Ela quer dizer.
Não, só assim. Pega ele com ela pendurada assim.
Por aí, ele é por causa da zoada, ele sai fora. Vai de volta. Safado, né? Cara,
Let him go.
vai. Let's go.
There we go. Nice. So there's a Peacock Bass bedding right there. The guy just dove, it saw him, so I'm curious to go see. I want to go check him out. Come with me. There we go, guys.
Fish good?
We're looking in there, and then they came out. That alone, I was counting down bars of.
Se o mundo espera e a gente agora tá na hora de Mas se você chora, o mundo explora sentimento algum.
Pegou. All right, guys. Hooked up a big boy here. That was insane. He knew this fish was down there. He's telling me exactly how to cast. I have a small Z-Man hook on, and actually I'm using my buddy Albert TNT soft bait on here, baby. Straight from Texas, made in Texas. We use it in salt water, and I just caught massive peacock, man. Very good fish. I opened my drag a little bit. As you guys can see, there's no branches around. I don't want to force him, and I'm out in the open, and he's good. Very good fish, man. And obviously, as always, I got my Beyond braid on, and as always say, I am shaking. I am shaking. Look at him, man. This fish might be flirting with 80, guys. I hate to keep guessing because I keep getting it wrong, but this fish is big. Albert, I don't know if you can see the lure in his mouth, man, but if you can, baby, this is for you. Thank you, brother. Been giving me lures for years. Let's go!
Caraca, moleque, top.
Oh, let's go. He is a beast, guys. Let me show him to you. I don't have Hugo on the boat with me. Let me get in there. Let me show him to you. Look at him. Oh. Oh. And Albert, check that out. Check that out, baby.
Vamos pra uma praia ali. Vamos pra uma praia.
15 pounds, 14, let's see. No, 14 pounds. 79. 79. All right, guys, it is day 4 at Xeruini. We're having an epic trip, man. We've got plenty of 70s. Today, I just caught myself stunning fish, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 79 centimeters. I was 1 centimeter away from that 80. Weighs approximately 14 pounds and change on the boga grip. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, guys. This is a stunning, stunning peacock, man. Caught him on the TNT lures by my buddy Albert in Texas. Thank you, brother. You know how many years you've been hooking me up with lures. I brought him to Brazil many years. Always caught small fish on him. I finally got this big boy on it, so shout out to you, brother. Thank you so much, man. And now, as always, we're gonna do the most important thing, which is let this big guy go back to life so we can even bring groups over here and you guys can catch fish just as healthy and as beautiful as this one. Thank you, guys. Stay with us. We got more coming. All right, guys, just caught this big boy. All right, look at him. Oh, I'm about to let him go, get him back to life. Let's go. Oh my gosh. No way.
Way!
What?
No way! Oh man! Beautiful.
Yes! Fish! Ah! Man. Bodo. Oh, Bodo! No. Oh my God! Look at it! Oh my God, that is crazy. He literally looked at the paddle. No, butterfly.
Big fish, man.
Oh, no butterfly.
Oh man. Sorry. Wow, big butterfly.
Trying to get him out of here before the bodos. That's a nice butterfly. Butterfly king, baby.
Yeah.
Gorgeous one. I'm not gonna hold him because he's fired up and those treble hooks are no joke, but I'm gonna give it to the guide. Lucas caught, I think, 75, Hugo?
Yes.
And then I caught a 70. So we just went out and experimented today. We saw fish that were spawning. If you haven't seen that on the video, it's probably coming up, but it's insane. This river right here is just gorgeous. And there's been a ton of action within the past 30 minutes. It's just butterfly, and then pop. Kind of end of the day on a positive note. I don't know how Lucas is doing because we split up. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get back to fishing, baby. What's up? Yeah, bom dia. Big fish.
You ready? Guys, it is what? Day 5?
Day 5? Yeah, I'm kind of losing count, to be honest.
Day 5. Obviously, remember we're here for a total of 10 fishing days. We've been smoking them, man. We've been getting on them. Super happy so far. T's got sitting on a 70 already.
Yeah.
We're going. I'm gonna call it now. It is. So you guys don't think we edit this stuff. It is January 6th, 7:46 a.m. Today we're gonna break his PR. Guarantee it. Call it right now.
That is the goal.
Guarantee it. We got the blessing from the guides already. Doc gave us his blessing yesterday. Prayed for this guy.
I catch an 80 today. Lucas can shave my head.
I'm gonna shave. Oh, it's on video. If he catches an 80, we're gonna get rid of whatever's left up here because he's been holding on for it.
I've been holding back, bro.
That's time to go.
Back.
If he gets an 80, we're shaving that thing off, dude. He's gonna embrace.
Don't be hitting my head so hard, man.
Embrace the bald. Let's go,
man.
Let's go. Day 5. Here we go. Entering the lake now, the lagoon, guys. So the river's picking up water, and we feel like that the lagoons are not feeling it, the effect of that water as much. So we're trying to enter one of those and see, just see how it goes. We're here for plenty of days, so we're gonna try a bunch of different things and see, where we can find fish. We've been having a phenomenal week so far, but obviously we're always chasing big fish. So let's see how this plays out. Miss it, it's an 8.
Yeah, if you miss it, it's an 80.
Fui até montar motor pra ir atrás. Não, vocês estão mudando a rota, calma.
Yeah, you kind of got to run with it. So really, that was pretty easy. I mean, me and Lucas has been working out.
Breathing hard?
Much.
I am breathing hard. You breathing hard?
Yeah, no.
What? Breeze, guys.
Cut it.
Little guy. Very small guy. All right, guys. First fish in the lagoon. Tiny little dude. Butterfly. Ooh. So we got just 2 action already here. We've only been here for couple minutes. He said, hey, run the jig under, or the soft. Or you can do it like a jerk bait too, T. Hit that gap again. I don't know if he came out of there, because for him, oh, yeah. Take the what, T?
Última comunidade.
I think I'm gonna take the jumping minnow off since it's single hooks,
Okay,
so I don't risk it.
yeah.
They fracks.
Hold on. I knew that, I thought we were just, I was like, there has to be a fish there, there's no way. I was like, and just to prove a point, I'm gonna throw it in there. Tá no chão. Arrasou aí, hein, velho. Pegou. The glide. Yeah.
What the heck was that? What's going on? Crazy, man. I don't know what just happened. Butterfly. Oh my God. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like that. Dude, that was insane. Did you see how many were jumping? This guy has to go. Big fish. Yeah. Look at that wake. Dude, that was big. Told you. What'd I tell you? You thought I was lying. That was insane. Nice. That was cool. Nice. Beautiful fish. Obrigado, vizinho. Time to go home. No, I'm crying, bro. No.